Homestead Handyman here. I want to tell you about our experience with Amazon. So it's the Thanksgiving week, and we noticed all of a sudden that our oven thermometer was no good. We were getting bad readings and stuff. So we decided we better get on there and get a new oven thermometer. So here's the thermometer that we decided to pick out. Right here you can see that it's $6.17 prime plus free returns. So we're ordering this on the 21st. And it's going to take a week to get it. Well, we didn't like that because that wasn't going to work for us past Thanksgiving. So we noticed, and I don't have that screenshot, that we could get it sooner if we ordered $25 more worth of stuff, then it would be delivered on Tuesday. So I said, well, that's not right. I'm going to call Amazon and see what the heck's going on here. So we had to order that thermometer and an additional item so we would get it on time, something we already were going to get anyway. So we called Amazon and we said, look, we have free 2-day shipping because we have Amazon Prime, and it says free 2-day shipping. That's the deal. You just charged me $119 for that. How come when I go to buy this item over here, I'm not getting that? I'm not getting free 2-day shipping, and you're charging me extra to get that because now I have to buy $25 more. And just to show you how that worked, I went and did that. So I put in the cart just to show you the item, $6.17. But now, you see, once I added and brought the items up to $32 right here, which was over the $25, all of a sudden the delivery date changed to Wednesday, 4 days earlier, which that's what I'm paying for Prime for anyway. So they're picking and choosing what they're going to do here and how they're going to send it out to you. So you better watch it out there, folks, because it looks like they're trying to rip you off. So we called Amazon on this. And after I went through and had him see the same exact screenshots on my screen as we were talking, he offered me a $30 credit immediately. I said, no, that's no good because we have a deal. That doesn't cut it. I paid for a service, you didn't deliver. I want that refund, and I still want Amazon. Well, all of a sudden he said, hold on, I'll be right back. Came back, and they refunded our $119 for the next year. So you better watch it out there, folks, because you got to watch every corner. You got to check everything, because we were ripped off by Amazon, and we called them on it, and we won. So the little guy has to stand up against the big companies. All right, well, this is the Homestead Handyman. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and share this video specifically, because I hate to see people getting ripped off. It's hard enough now with things the way they are. All right, well, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Homestead Handyman out.